Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Government investment in education and physical capital changes everything in the long run. Let's quickly solve this macroeconomics problem and find the right answer together. The aggregate production function relates real output per worker to the amount of physical capital per worker. We must understand how external investments change this fundamental economic relationship over time. Investment in education increases human capital, while physical capital investment boosts tools and machinery. These improvements mean workers produce more output at every single level of capital per worker provided. This total improvement shifts the entire aggregate production function upward. That makes option D our final winner for this long-run economic growth question. Boom! Well done! Option D is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush. Always trust the given economic rules.